The behind the neck, standing barbell shoulder press can be a great mass building exercise if you have mobile, stable, and strong shoulders. By lowering the barbell behind your neck rather than in front of the body, it targets more of the rear delts on the back of the shoulders rather than the anterior delts on the front of the shoulders. However, if you have forward, rounded shoulders or lack proper shoulder mobility, this movement can place excessive stress on your neck and your rotator cuffs, so stick with the traditional in front of the body barbell shoulder press. Now, to get started, while standing, grip the barbell with a slightly wider than shoulder width grip so your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. By standing, it also helps strengthen your core and legs. Contract your core and squeeze your glutes to stabilize your lower back. Then press the weight over your head to extend your elbows. Focus on keeping your elbows directly under the bar, not flared out behind the bar. Depending on your shoulder mobility, slowly lower the weight until it's just above your shoulders. If you're new to the movement and have healthy shoulders, start with light weight and build up. Repeat for reps. Subscribe for more Live Lean TV daily exercises.